and go.
Hey everyone, JW here, and in today's video I'll be telling you and showing you how to make your own channel banner / channel art in Photopea. So let's begin. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Let's get straight into this. So what you need to do is, you need to search up Photopea, and if you want you can put .com, and it'll take you straight to this page here, which click new project, then you can name it whatever you want. Or guys, if you want, you can, I think, yeah, it's 2560, so guys, you won't be able to see it, but if I just get rid of my background on my webcam, see where YouTube cover is there? You click that one and create. So it should be about that size. So guys, I will take the background off so then you can see it better. So basically what you want to do now is you want to search YouTube channel art border images. So you will see a lot of them, and there is a lot, but you need to just look for the perfect one, basically, which I think this is it. Yeah, so guys, this is it. It should look something like this. So then you just save the image as, and I have already got one saved, but I will just show you it. Save pictures, then YT. So I've got it saved. Then now go into my files, just bring it over so you can see, and it'll be on my recent files. Just drag it in, then resize it, then press the X. So guys, you need to now find a picture that you like. So let me search YT gaming background. You can search whatever you want, but I'm just gonna look for something on this. So that's my background there. So let's look for one. There's a lot that you might like Fortnite ones. That's quite a nice one. Just for the sake of this video, I'm going to use a Fortnite one. I might even make this into my actual channel one if I really like it. Let me just search Joker, because I really do like the Joker skin. But instead of just using a Fortnite one, I will just go for one of these. Let's just go for this one. Save image as. Save pictures. Galaxy. I don't know if I spelled that right, but let's bring this up and drag it in. So look guys, it looks really nice at the minute. So you can make it full size if you really want, but what I do guys is I look and then I just drag it down to that line there. Then resize it in. Then same again on this part. I look where it is, and it's there. So guys, basically now what you want to do is just go into just search up like a black image. So I've got a few already. I've got this one. This is my most black looking one. So I just drag it in. Basically just resize it to fit there. Then I just press over here, duplicate layer, and then just drag it down. It doesn't need to be perfect. Edit, no, you're going to edit if it's too big and press free transform. You can just drag it down. Okay, so now guys, let's get on to the main part. So I always keep on dragging it up, so then I can look whereabouts it is. So that's okay at the minute. So I don't want a text layer there. Oh, delete. Okay, so let me just drag that under. So then I just bring it to the top. I don't know why that's there, but that's the maximum for mobile and desktop. So you want to fit it in there. So I'll go up to my text up here and I'll always change it to 100. Say I want the colour to be like a really bright white. Let's go for a white this time. And then you can go to dafont.com and you can basically just look for your own things. Say I liked that one, I'd go onto it and then I'd press download. It's up here, but I don't like that one, but you really might. So I've already got one called Animal Silence. Animal, look. This one you will see this, and then I just place my writing down. And then I'll type in Josh Man's GW. You don't have to use this one, Josh Man's GW. I'll just use my shorts. I don't really have a very nice one for my shorts channel, but it'll do. There we go. Now just press that. So you can now, if you really want to, change the size to 50. Oh, that was meant to be 100. Okay, so now I will place it in another text and I will change the size to 50. Then I can change the colour, I'll change it to a black. Now I'll change it to like a purple. Yeah, like that. It's quite a nice colour. Then I can write subscribe. Oh, that's a bit too light. I'll have a really light blue, I think. Okay. Then that's it. Subscribe. And I might put that there. Then I'll find like a picture that I really like to say. I'll pick a picture of a like dog. No, wait, let's do a picture of YouTube logo. And I always make sure to put transparent. It might not always come out transparent. Wait, let me just search. I don't like how that's taking too long. Transparent YouTube logo. Okay, so I might like one of these and I might go for this one. Then I don't like that one because it's in a circle. And I'll basically just keep going along until I find one that I really like. So none of these are really nice at the minute. That one might be a good one. Nope. They've all got blue dots in them. This one, there we go. Save image as pictures. Save pictures. YT logo. Let's bring up my files again. Let me look for it. Oh, I know where it'll be. Why am I looking in there? It'll be on recent files. And guys, stuff like this happens, but it's okay. We'll just delete it and find another one. So that one looks quite nice. Save image as. Then now I'll look for it and then just go on YouTube logo and then press yes. Okay, then let's go on it again. YouTube logo. There we go, guys. It's worked this time. So then I might put it in like the middle. You literally can do whatever you want. It's all up to you. You can even, if you wanted to drag it under, press free transform. Bring it like under there if you really wanted to. So yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. And I have got like this thing saved. Look, I've got a few stuff saved and I really like using lightning, which I'll just drag it over onto my other screen. And I'll add it in here. And I will now just bring that down to there. Okay, there we go guys, that looks good. Lightning, okay, edit. And I always have it over on top of everything. Then free transform. Then then I will like have it like say like that, and then I will duplicate layer, then free transform, and I might then just want to twist it round a bit, get a different angle on it. You can literally do whatever you want, it's up to you. And you want to make it like really detailed and stuff, so you can literally do whatever you want. It's all up to you. So yeah, I think that'll be it for mine. Lightning, and then I will... Yeah, so that's pretty much all you need to do. Just see which one this is. There we go. I don't like how that was going over my writing, so I'll edit it and make it go not over my writing like that. Oh no, I pressed the wrong button. So yeah, there we go, like that. And I'll bring it back. So as you can see, it's really nice at the minute. And basically just want to then press File, Export As, then PNG. But you can choose whatever you want. Don't use platelets, just don't use that. Then just make sure you use everything. Quality, make it 100%. Then it should be around, look guys, you can just go over it one more time. And just do that. And then yeah. Should be around about 2.0 megabytes. Something like that, and then just press save. Oh, goes a picture. And basically now we'll show you, then it'll ask you that, just press leave. Then go onto your YouTube channel. So I will show you one of my shorts channel. So guys, I will turn off this so that you don't see anything about my information. But I have now got my shorts channel loaded up so that you can see it now. Oh, I don't think I've watched this. This is my sister's channel, by the way. Olivia ZW, make sure to go check her channel out. So, then you just click on your channel. Okay, so I'm sorry I haven't uploaded for like 2 weeks and that. But this is it on my shorts channel. I really like it at the minute, but you're going to basically just customize your channel. So you'll go into your channel, customize channel. Then once it loads, you go into channel customization down there, then branding. This is where it is. So then you press change and your latest project. So that's what you'll be able to see on every device, on your desktop and on your TV. Nobody really watches on TV, but you might. Then you press that and then press publish. So then, now once it's done that, I'll click view my channel. Then look guys, it's got that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. 15-minute tutorial. I will switch back to my main account. There we go. Thank you so much for 67 subscribers. Which, as you can see, is a really big achievement. So yeah, that's my new one. It's really nice. And I will be uploading this video soon, so it won't be just a week yet. But I promise you I will have a video up every week. Sorry if I haven't had one up this week. I was camping, so I couldn't really upload any videos. So yeah, this was just a quick tutorial that I hope you enjoyed. See ya guys! That's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!